morning students. I am Dr. Nidhi Agarwal, Faculty of Physiotherapy Department in Rama University. I am the physiotherapist. My specialization in the orthopedic conditions. Right. Today my topic is the ankle sprain. Let's start with the ankle sprain. Sprain it is the injury of the ligament, and the strain is the injury of the muscle tendon. This is the difference between we get to be most of the time we get to be confused in a sprain and the strain. Sprain or strain is be remembered by the ST. This be T for strain. T is then tendon, and the sprain is the injury of the ligament. Right? Ligament is the attachment of the muscles to the bone. We get to be injured. It is the most common injury of the ankle joint. Right? It is of three types: mild, moderate, and severe. In mild, it is called type 1, in which little swelling, tenderness, and inflammation occur at the ankle joint. Right? And the moderate, it is the type 2, in which the moderate condition the swelling become moderate, reduced ROM, decreased range of motions, and the painful conditions present at the ankle joint. Right? And in severe condition, it is the type 3. In type 3, complete rupture of the ligament of the ankle joint, tenderness present, loss of the functions of the ankle joint present. Right? In these conditions, we are get to be hindered our day-to-day life. It is the most commonest injury of the pupils, but in our conditions where the people play in the sports, in sports conditions, the persons who are jumpers, runner, athletes, they will suffer from most of the time with the ankle sprain. Right? Now we go to the clinical features. When the ankle sprain is occurred, what type of the clinical features present in the ankle joint? Number 1, swelling, tenderness, reduced ROM, loss of functions. These clinical features present because of the injury of the lateral ligament of the joint. In the ankle joint, talofibular ligament, talofibular ligament, anterior talofibular ligament, posterior talofibular ligaments are ruptured commonly. Right? This injury occurred because of the lateral movement of the ankle joint and inversion of the ankle joint. Right? It is the most commonest. Lateral movement is occurred in the ankle joint is more common. Medial movement of the ankle joint is rare. Right? And we are go to the treatment. In the treatment, first we go the RICE treatment. RICE, it is the conservative treatment. First of all, we go to the treatment with the conservative. Otherwise, if it is not treated with the conservative treatment, we go for the surgical treatment. And in surgical condition, the type 3, we proposed the surgical treatment. Now come to the treatment. Treatment is divided into two parts: conservative treatment and surgical treatment. In conservative treatment, we go for the medical treatment and rehabilitation treatment. In medical treatment, we advise the patient for NSAIDs, in anti-inflammatory drugs and painkiller. Right? And in rehabilitation, we go with RICE. RICE in R is stand for rest, I is stand for ice, C is stand for compression, E is stand for elevation. These are followed in type 1 of ankle sprain. Right? If the type 1 is not treated with the RICE treatment, then we go with the physiotherapy treatment. Physiotherapy treatment, we divide it into two parts: electrical treatment, electrotherapy treatment, and the exercise therapy treatment. In electrotherapy treatment, we can give the patient icing is must. Right? If the patient is suffer from few days, then it convert into the chronic conditions. Right? And in chronic condition is with the patient, we go heating treatment with the paraffin wax bath or heating therapy, which will give moist heat pack, right? Then we give the ultrasound therapy. When we give ultrasound therapy, we give a 1.5 megahertz with pulse mode for 5 minutes, right? And we give the ultraviolet rays at the foot. To consider the local area, we go for ultraviolet, right? And we come to the exercise therapy. When the patient pain is removed, tenderness is removed, then we go the exercise therapy. We give ankle toe pumps. After ankle toe pumps, we can give the patient's ankle mobilization, muscle strengthening exercises we pronounce to the patient, right? If the patient is not treated with our conservative treatment, then we go for the surgical treatment. In surgical treatment, we will announce the surgery. First, we will check the X-ray, CT scan or MRI. Most of the time, X-ray is sufficient to check the location or bones position is present in the same condition at a normal condition. If it's not present, then we go for the manipulation. First, we manipulate the bones and assess the ligament comes in the conditions. These conditions, ligaments is not in the actual position, we go for the CT scan. In the CT scan, we can easily find out the ligament's position. Okay. Now we come to the surgical treatment. Doctors with the surgery remove the ligaments or relocate the ligament. Remove the ligament is necessary when it get to be ruptured, and the other ligaments from the muscles is input there is called tenotomy, myotomy. These surgeries are present here, right? Now we come to the moderate type. Moderate type is the type 2 in which the moderate swelling present, reduced the ROM. Then we go to reduce the swelling with the MHP, moist heat pack, and to increase the reduced ROM, we go for manipulation and the exercise therapy with the ankle toe pump or stretching of the intrinsic muscles of the plantar foot muscles. Now, these two conditions in which the exercise therapy is important, with following the RICE treatment when the patient comes in the acute condition. If the condition of the severe type 3 to complete rupture of the ligament, which is not correct with the conservative treatment, then we go for, it is must for the patient to go for the surgery. In the surgery, after the surgery, tenderness has to be removed. Loss of the function is maintained by the exercise therapy. Okay, I think all of you have to understand my lecture. I hope we will see in the next lecture.